Can you just tell us a little bit about Highcraft Windows and the service you provide?
So Highcraft Windows is a family-run business. Been going since 1984, so 35 years now. We use Victorian ash for most of our timber, which is sustainable timber. We pride ourselves on quality for their windows and a good liaison with our builders such as Duncan Thompson.
Can you just tell us how long has Duncan Thompson Extensions been working with Highcraft Windows?
Yeah, so we've been working with them for about 30 years now. We've got a great relationship with them, and we love working with them pretty much since the start.
For the interests of our Duncan Thompson Extension clients, can you just explain the process that they go through once they've ordered their windows and the timelines, etc. that are involved?
So Duncan Thompson Extensions send through an order for their windows. Sometimes the clients come out and have a look as well. But once they've placed the order, it goes onto our board of jobs. So normally about 15 to 20 working days for the jobs to be through the production series. And once that comes through, we ring Duncan Thompson Extensions again and say job's ready to go. They're all on dates anyway, so they normally give us a date they want it done for, and then we ring them and say it's all ready to go. And then we liaise with the supervisor on site, and then it goes out to site and gets installed. Depending on the size of the job, obviously, but it's say 15 working days, so we're on about 3 to 4 weeks.
If a client is unsure about what type of windows, or they need a bit of inspiration, can they come into the showroom here and have a discussion?
Certainly. We actually have people come from Duncan Thompson Extensions in here now and then just to have a look, and they're not sure on, say, a bifold or a slider, so we run them through all the options and then make sure they leave happy. Let's say one word sums it up is they're easy, as far as they make the process easy, as far as everything is fairly professional and all the paperwork's thorough.
Dealing with the office over there, they're very efficient in what they do, thorough with their plans. As soon as I get a plan, I quote it, and then there's nothing to change, and then it just goes into production, and then we send it out to site.